The graph below shows the approximate population of the world in billions from 1900 to 2000, where t is the time in years since 1900. So 1900 is on the axis itself, 1910, 1920, and so on. We want to find the average population growth for the period from 1930 to 1980. Well, 1930 is here, and 1980 is here. So what we're after is the gradient of this line, and to find that we form a right-angled triangle. It's fairly clear that the figures we're given are actually inaccurate, because at 2000 the population wasn't above 10 billion. It's not even there yet, but never mind, we're just asked to do the question. So this is 50 years across here, and from the accuracy I can get from this graph, this appears to be at 2.5. This one appears to be at 7, and that means that this would be 4.5 billion. So our average rate is going to be, now we're talking 4.5 billion here, so that's 4500, 4,500,000,000 divided by 50. So we can get rid of 1 0. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So that gives us 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So that's 90 million people per year. How fast was the population growing at the beginning of 1950? So here we want an instantaneous rate. Might be an idea just to clear up the graph. So let's just delete what we've done so far. And 1950 is just here. So we want to try and draw a tangent to that. And the only way we can really do that is draw a tangent by I. So something like that seems to just touch the curve there. And then what we want is a couple of convenient points on there in order to work out the gradient. Well, this looks like it's going through a grid point there, as does this. So form a right-angled triangle here. So this is at 3, and this one here is at 7.5, so that gives us 4.5, and we've gone 40 across there, so that's 60. So that's going to be 4,500,000,000. This time we're dividing that by 60. So we can get rid of a 0, like so. Well, let's just use the calculator for what's left. So we've got 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide that by 6, and that gives us 7, 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 7.5. Hold on a second. 75 million people per year.